Hey everybody, today we are going to be making a super cute mushroom and pearl stretch bracelet. These two items are for a collaboration with Pandahall Selected. If you didn't see my previous two videos, they sent me some items to show you guys and review, and I'm doing 3 videos for them, so this is the third and final video. So I'll have a link to the site where you can buy these pearls and these pliers. They came in a set of 3, as well as just a general link to the website and a coupon code in the description down below. But let's just get right into the tutorial. Also, I just realized that I'm not gonna need the pliers for this video, so I don't know why I showed them. I think they were just on my desk and I was like, oh, here, look at these. But I have this little thing of pearls, fake pearls from Pandahall Selected. I believe they're 6mm. And then I have some seed beads and stretch cord, something to cut the stretch cord. You can use scissors, I just have these things. And then a little mushroom bead. These guys match perfectly. So excited about these green ones. They were expensive, but worth it. Okay, so the way that I make my stretch bracelets is a little weird, I guess. So I will just take some of the cord, some of the stretch cord, like, you know, unravel it a little bit, and I just leave it on there because I don't know how long I'm gonna want it to be. So you can either leave it on here or cut it off if you know the exact length that you're gonna want for your cord. But yeah, so I just have my string still attached to my spool there, and I'm gonna pour some of my beads in this paint holder just so that they don't go all over the place. Okay, so now we can start beading. So I'm gonna do an every other pattern. So I'm gonna do a green seed bead, and then a pearl bead, green seed bead, pearl bead, green seed bead, pearl bead, and I'm gonna continue this pattern until I get to about where I believe my middle is gonna be, the middle of the bracelet, or like the part that would go right here where you want the mushroom. Now, the cool thing is too, though, you can move the beads around the knot once it's tied, so it doesn't really matter where your knot's gonna be because it's gonna be hidden anyways. Okay, so, I mean, you can't really tell how many's on here, but this is a start. So now I'm gonna put my mushroom bead on there. And then I'm gonna start with a seed bead again. I ended with a seed bead before the mushroom, and I'm starting with a seed bead and continuing the pattern until I reach the end of my bracelet. Okay, so I have as many beads on there as I want. So now I'm going to cut my string off of the spool. Another thing is it makes it a lot easier to actually string the beads on there because then they're not gonna fall off the other end as I just drop the bracelet. So you're gonna start by just making a regular knot, just like how you would normally do it. But the way we're gonna finish this is gonna make it so that it does not come undone. So we're gonna do a surgeon's knot. which basically means we're gonna start as if we were doing a regular knot like we just did, but instead of, you know, putting it through your loop and being done, like putting your string through your loop and being done, we're gonna do that 2 more times so that there's a total of 3 knots in one knot, if that makes sense. And then you're gonna pull it tight. If that doesn't make sense, there are other videos that show it better. You can also just look up like bracelet surgeon's knot. And then let's see, so there's our knot. I'm just gonna pinch right at the like end of that knot, like after the knot, and then cut those strings off just to make sure you give yourself 2 nice little tails there so that it won't fall apart. But now we're just gonna take one of our pearl beads and pull on the string until that knot, oops, pulled it too hard through there. Just wanna pull the knot through a bead to hide it. And of course, I'm just repeatedly pulling the knot back and forth. Okay, so I'm just gonna hide it in a seed bead because that's gonna be a little easier. But there you have it. There's your cute little mushroom bracelet. But that is it for this cute little bracelet tutorial. Once again, make sure to check the description out and look at the Pandahall Selected website, as well as there's going to be that coupon discount code in the description as well. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.